Hello everyone, this is me again, making my trading recap for today. Hopefully you can hear me. Can you hear me? Yes, you can obviously hear me. So awesome. Well, let's just put in my trades, or let's watch the performance stats at first. This is my performance. As you see here, this is the Express funded account. Overall P&L, win percentage, but you can't count this one because, as I already mentioned, since I am scaling in and scalping a lot, this is not very liable, because this is not the same as you'd call strategy. It's just how I trade, and so yeah, some are high probability trades, some are low probability trades, and even then, if I win a trade, this could be that there's made up from two winners and three losers, or three losers and one winner, and still is a altogether winning trade, if you know what I mean. So this is my stats continuing, and my P&L. As you see, I am winning the fourth day in a row. So this is a Express funded account, if I'm not mistaken. I've never been to this point, so if I have one more winning day, I should be able to request a payout, and I would have the possibility to request a payout because of my balance if I have a winning day tomorrow. I was thinking about just making a $150 trade tomorrow, so I would have the possibility to pay me out, but this was just in a moment of fear and anxiety. I'm emotional incontinence again, but this is crazy still to have the, I don't know, um, before the funded account I had a very good month, so I'm seeing progress after 4 years of trading now. I'm still in training, but I see the progress, so it's funny. Um, awesome. Oh, I forgot to put in the executions. So it's a little messy, but I will try to explain. So the first trade was a trend following trade. As you see here, we have this trading range right here after a strong breakout, and I did a short video explaining that the breakout to the downside of the trading range would be likely, but still the immediate outbreak of the trading range was unlikely. What did I do? I saw this spike and channel. We had a channel down, and it's always easier, not very easy, but easier to make money selling in a channel down. And this is what I did when I saw the second bear bar forming. Used the correct stop up here and just held through down here. I put 3 contracts in, and I sold out 2 of them around down here. Put a break-even stop on the third one and would let it run. My initial thought was to about the height of the trading range if we already would experience a breakout. So the height of the trading range, approximately this one, would be around here, last week's low body, what it reached afterwards. So if I had the correct stop all the way up here, it would be a possible trade, but you know this would be a worse entry for this kind of trade. So this was not what I did. So I just put a break even stop in. We had this consecutive bear bars. You see 1, 2, 3. This could be a wedge, but we were still in a breakout, so this could also be a breakout pullback. I held short with my remaining contract, and after I saw this strong bull bar, I changed my view of the markets. We had now a channel and an overshoot to the downside, a retest of the channel high, and I thought we would go at least to the channel highs. This is why I bought in here and scalped out 2 contracts. Tried to hold one, but I made a mistake and put the wrong order type in. It happened to me once already a couple of weeks ago, so I sold out the third one as well, and I got in with another contract to just have the contract I would actually want to hold all the way up here to the last week's high, buddy, in for a retest if we would test up to the beginning of the channel, and I would have take profit somewhere here. But you see we had a tight trading range above the EMA, and I thought this could be a wedge and hit my take profit target before going down, but this wasn't obviously the case. So what then happened was a double top, and I was at the screen when this strong bear bar formed, and I sold while it formed. I sold. I had a break even, not break even stop. I had a stop loss for my bull entries here. I know it was the unlikely. It was a bad entry. This wasn't a good trade to buy in again after selling out. But as I still, I thought it would be only the remaining contract, so I did already had a win on this trade, and I bought more when it ran down a little, and after this bull bar I thought it would be possible to. So it wasn't a very good trade, it wasn't a high probability, but I don't know why I did it. It wasn't good. The stop loss was below here, and you weren't there, but we had a huge bull bar, and it sold off down, and then the bear bar formed. And as this bear bar formed, I got stopped out, and I immediately, when I got stopped out, because this was forming rapidly, it was a kind of sense of urgency, and I didn't think of this at the moment, but the bears who sold the close of this bar, because this could be a strong breakout, never had the opportunity to go out break even. So I just sold. When this bear bar formed, I sold more, and I got out at the bottom. So this was a scalp, and this left me with my daily profit. This is awkward. You don't see all the thing I see. Hopefully this doesn't affect the video too much, but you know, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, I'm a trader, so I need to get this video stuff all figured out. And this is where I was pretty stressed out, and I didn't have the mental ability to take another trade, but this would be actually a good double top reversal for a trading range, you know, a lower low double top trading range, low 2 move, and yes, but I didn't take this trade. So this were essentially my trades of the day. You see, this was yesterday's low and yesterday's low body. The price was playing around there, as it usually does with these levels. Awesome. Yeah, well, if I have another green day tomorrow, it will be the first time I would actually be able to pay out. And as you see with the stats, you have um, here about $1,000 a day. If you manage to make $1,000 a day 200 times a year, you would actually end up with $200,000. If you make 5K a day, you would end up with seven figures. This would be possible with the contract sizes that we can use with this Express funded account. So this is actually pretty possible. I don't know yet how my trading journey will um, resume, or how it will play out. I don't know, because I've never been so far in a possible state of paying out. If I have another green day tomorrow, I will definitely pay out something. As far as I know, or if I'm not mistaken, I can pay out half the balance. That would be today $2,500. If I have another winning day with a K tomorrow, I can pay out $3,000. That would be pretty awesome. Okay, great. So have a nice day and bye bye.